In a world where every grain matters, where the art of perfecting rice takes center stage. Introducing the Micromodule on rice milling. Have you ever wondered what goes into turning raw rice grains into that perfectly polished gem? Rice milling is the secret behind achieving the perfect texture, taste, and quality of rice. There are various rice milling systems, each with its unique approach to refine the grains. In this micromodule you will learn different rice milling systems and its functions like 1-stage, 2-stage, multi-stage milling. Let's enjoy learning in few minutes.